Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Facebook name. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Facebook application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this three lines button to open our Facebook profile. And after we have our profile opened, we can tap on this setting icon. Tap on the setting, then you're going to tap on the account center. Okay, and hold on guys. All right, and after that we can tap on profiles right here and tap on our profile again, and here we can change our name on Facebook. We can tap on the name option. Okay, and for example, I'm going to change my middle name, so we can just tap on the middle name like this. I'm going to change like this. Okay, and after that we can click on review change, and here you can choose how your name will appear on your profiles, and I'm going to select this one, and after that we can click on save changes. And alright guys, that's how we can change Facebook name. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.